Definition and procedure of professional misconduct. Question. What is professional misconduct? Explain the procedure for disciplinary action under the Advocates Act. 1. Definition. The Advocates Act does not explicitly define professional misconduct. However, through judicial interpretations, like State of Punjab v. Ram Singh, it is understood as any conduct that renders an advocate unfit for the exercise of his profession or is contrary to the high standards of the bar. Examples: misappropriation of client's money, appearing while intoxicated, suppressed facts, or encouraging bribery. 2. Disciplinary procedure. Section 35. When a complaint is received by a State Bar Council, SBC, reference to committee, the SBC refers the complaint to its disciplinary committee. Notice. The committee fixes a date for hearing and sends a notice to the advocate and the Advocate General of the state. Inquiry. Both parties are heard. The committee has the powers of a civil court, summoning witnesses, etc. The order. The committee may dismiss the complaint, reprimand the advocate, suspend the advocate for a period, remove the name of the advocate from the roll. Debarment. 3. Remedy, appeal. Section 37. Any person aggrieved by the SBC's order can appeal to the Bar Council of India, BCI, within 60 days. Section 38. A further appeal lies to the Supreme Court of India within 60 days of the BCI's order. Key case laws. P.D. Gupta v. Ram Murthy, regarding an advocate purchasing the disputed property of his client, held. Misconduct. In Re. Vinay Chandra Mishra, regarding shouting at a judge, held. Contempt of court and misconduct. Ex-Captain Harish Uppal v. Union of India, held that lawyers have no right to go on strike or give a call for a boycott. P.D. Gupta v. Ram Murthy. In this case, an advocate purchased the disputed property of his own client. The court held that this was professional misconduct because a lawyer should not take advantage of their position against the client's interest. In Re. Vinay Chandra Mishra. In this case, a lawyer shouted at and insulted a judge in court. The Supreme Court held that such behavior amounts to contempt of court and professional misconduct. Ex-Captain Harish Uppal v. Union of India. The Supreme Court held that lawyers do not have the right to go on strike or call for a boycott of courts, as it affects the justice system and harms clients.